I know for a lot of us out there, our goal for this year is to start taking our freelance gig more seriously, to be able to attract more higher paying clients and get some consistent revenue going. I want to share with you something crazy. I checked my Stripe balance at the end of last year on the 31st of December, and I couldn't believe my eyes. I made over $132,000 in the 12-month span, which averages over 10K every single month consistently. So today I'm going to pull back the curtains and share with you exactly how I got there, and if I was to start from scratch, the exact steps I would take to get there even faster. I'm Annie, I'm a brand and web designer and founder of MTstudio, and there is one thing that no one shares with you, which is super important, which is that you shouldn't be selling your services only to small business owners. Here's the truth, and it's purely a mathematical breakdown. If you want to make over 10K every single month and you don't want to be servicing a bunch of clients at the same time, you need to price your services at a high ticket price point. I say start from at least $3,000 per project, and this way you can have consistent revenue coming in without always chasing new clients. And small businesses, they just don't have the budget. I know when we first start, we're thinking, oh my God, let's just market to my local cafe. I have a family friend who started a small business. Let's reach out to them. But I'm a small business and I can say I don't have $3,000 set aside for photographers or videographers. Even if I'm making a healthy profit, I'd rather just learn it myself. And that's how I got to where I am today. But if you target small to medium enterprises, that is the sweet spot. And these are businesses that have 10 to 50 employees. And this is really good because they're at a point where they're growing, they have a profit margin, they're able to support employees and pay salaries. That's a huge green flag. But they probably haven't established long-term relationships with professional service providers yet. They probably don't have their own brand designer. They might not have videographers or copywriters on their team yet. And this is your opportunity to slide in and offer them exactly what they're after. You can find them on platforms like LinkedIn, reach out to them, and I'm going to walk you through the strategy in the next steps. I know what you're thinking already. 3K per project, 10K month. That sounds crazy. I'm struggling to find my first, second, third client. How am I ever going to get there? So I'm going to help you break it down and reverse engineer your dream income goals. 10K is not an arbitrary number. It is a number that proves to you that you can quit your full-time job, you can take what you love and create a thriving, sustainable business out of it. If you calculate it, if you want to make 10K and every single project is 3K, you need 4 multiplied by 12 months, that many clients. And that is not true. That is not how we do it. That is still way too much, way too complicated. In my business, we use something called recurring subscriptions. And that is when a client purchases your services at a monthly period and give you money every single month. And this is how I get to service only 5 to 6 clients every single year and achieve these numbers. So let me break it down. I would sell a high ticket service to begin with. So to engage with me, you have to do a branding project first. And a branding project starts at 6K. And then you can also do a website. And a website on its own is also 6K. So a client that comes in, they would average spend maybe around 10K with me already. And that means for 3 months, I don't need to worry about a new client. So I only need 4 new clients every single year and 2 of them to enlist them on a recurring subscription, paying me around 3K as well. So right now, that's exactly my business model. 2 clients pay a subscription, which gets me over the 6K mark per month. And then I just need 4 clients on the side that's paying for those bigger, higher ticket projects. And that's it. And I'm going to teach you down the line on how do you actually get those high ticket clients. And it's not as hard as you think. You just need the right processes, the right systems, and the right tools. I know when I first got started, I just wish that someone would take me by the hand step by step through the whole process, which is exactly what I'm going to do for you. And I'm really excited to share with you that I'm going to be hosting a live masterclass on this exact topic. How do you get to your first 10K month? A freelancer's blueprint for consistent income, where I'm going to walk you through how to attract high-paying clients who value your work and can actually afford those premium rates, how to create irresistible service packages that makes clients say yes without any hesitation, an exact roadmap to go from those sporadic income streams to consistent, scalable revenue month after month. And this isn't just theory. This is, as you can see, my exact process, my exact system that's taken me to over $132,000 last year. And I want to share it with you. All you have to do is scan the QR code on the left right here or follow the link in the bio. and you'll be on the wait list so I can tell you as soon as the workshop is ready and that you can claim your spot straight away. All right, now that we've set our intentions, we're going to make $3,000 per project. We're going to sell to SMEs that can actually afford us. And we've set our revenue goal to $10,000 every single month, and it is achievable. You got to trust me, follow the process. Next is not to sell yourself or pitch yourself for those high ticket services yet. Take a step back and we're going to craft an irresistible offer for our dream clients that is going to deliver them value for free. And this is going to give them a glimpse of what it's like to work with us. And if we can deliver them this much value for free, imagine our paid products. So this is what's going to happen. You are going to create a landing page for a free offer. It can be a blueprint, a checklist. It can be ChatGPT prompts. It can be a masterclass. So here I'm going to get meta and I'm going to show you, if you scan that QR code just then to that free live masterclass training, you're going to land exactly on this page. And this is where I pitch to you my free offering. You don't have to spend a cent. You get here and everything is speaking to you. This is designed for freelancers. You get to $10,000 a month, and it's a breakdown of how you get to your transformation, and it makes a promise to your ideal audience, and it's going to paint them a picture of what's possible, and you're going to deliver them value. Not just a free masterclass. I haven't included a bonus, is that if you sign up for this masterclass, you get a high-ticket freelancer sales deck that's going to be able to walk you through every single process of the sales conversation so that you can be confident, so that you're not blabbering, you're not fumbling all over yourself, and that you are psychologically gearing them for the sale. And this is a bundle. If you register the masterclass, you get that sales deck for free right now. And why I'm walking you through this is because if they don't know you, they don't trust you. If they don't trust you, hell no, they're not going to spend money with you. They're not going to even spend $1 with you, let alone $3,000. So what I'm going to share with you now is you got to get into the habit of delivering free value and sharing it with the world and sharing it with your dream customers. If you're on LinkedIn, create this landing page and say, hey, I'm here to offer a free copywriting workshop, free copywriting ChatGPT prompts, something that's going to tie directly to that end goal of transformation to get them hooked, interested, and for them to slowly build trust with you. Okay, now that you've created your irresistible free offering, now it's where it gets real. It's where you get to connect one-on-one with your ideal client. And what you're going to do is you're going to make a list of ideal businesses in your niche, and you're going to find out who the founder is. And this founder, they're going to be like a CEO, they're going to be someone who's really busy, but they are going to know if their business needs a copywriter or a videographer or a brand designer. If they're not posting enough content, he's going to know I probably need to hire a copywriter sometime soon. But he has so many other pieces to juggle, so he hasn't gotten the opportunity to look out for someone yet. So you're going to make his life a whole lot easier if you slide in and say, hey, I noticed your LinkedIn post about this. Congratulations. And I can imagine in this stage of growth, you're probably really hectic about where to grow it next. And I noticed you guys aren't posting as much on social media. So I just want to offer you a free ChatGPT prompt on how you can get your marketing coordinator to use this and really create a bunch of posts that can help you reach new audiences and to help you really grow your business to the next level. Simply click this link, completely free of charge. Just want to share it with you because you're someone who's really inspiring this space. And that's it. Leave it at that. And then all you have to do is see if they engage. I use an email marketing platform called Flowdesk to create my landing page that you just saw. And I'm going to share with you in that masterclass exactly how everything works. So don't worry about that. But you get to see who actually downloads that freebie. They were going to join your email list. So you're going to get his email and you're going to be able to continuously nurture that relationship. So the next step is finally to connect if he downloads that freebie, and that really narrows it down. That is now from a cold lead to a warm lead because he actively clicked on and shown interest in something that you offer that ties to your transformation. So now all you have to do is say, hey, so-and-so, I saw that you just downloaded my freebie on the ChatGPT prompt. How has it been working for you? I know you're probably really busy. So the next step is I want to offer you a free copywriting workshop. It can be with you. It can be with your marketing coordinator, whoever has the time. And I'm going to create for you a series of different posts It can be a strategy session, completely no strings attached. I just want to show you what's possible. In that strategy, you are going to be able to showcase exactly what you can deliver. And the conversion rate to go from a free workshop or strategy to a sale is so much higher because you are already putting yourself in the shoes of someone who's working with them. You're delivering them lots of value. You're showing them the end outcome already. And then it's just a matter of them saying yes on that day or them thinking about you in the back of their head until they actually have the budget or the time to spend on this resource. They're going to be like, yes, Jess, she reached out to us. She did a great job. I can tell that she's got what it takes. I'm going to reach out to her now. That's it. And that is how you prime someone who is a complete stranger to someone who has trust and faith in you, to someone who has collaborated with you on a small workshop, to then finally saying, yes, take care of my copywriting, take care of my graphic design. I need you. Do you see how organic that feels? It's not salesy, it's not icky, it's not bombarding people with messages and you never get responses. It's very step by step. It's very friendly, very approachable. This is not just theory. This process genuinely works. I can guarantee it. And why? Let's break it down. Because psychologically, you are focusing on clients who can afford you. So you don't have to doubt whether or not they have the budget, because businesses of that scale, they do. And they are trying to spend money on marketing to grow their businesses further. Next, you are positioning yourself as a partner, not a salesperson. You're coming to them with a solution and you're not forcing them to invest money with you. And that builds trust. Finally, you're building relationships, and it's not all about the transaction, because client relationships, it really is a long-term game. I've had clients join my email list, have got a freebie from me 2 years ago, and then now finally this year, they were ready to work with me. Every single business, they have their own timeline. You just have to be there when they're ready and be able to continuously nurture that relationship before they even buy, so that you're the first person they think of when they are ready. If you've made it this far into the video, I know you've got what it takes to hit those 10K months, because I was exactly where you are. I was watching every single YouTube video I can on freelancing. I was joining webinars. I was joining masterclasses, and here I am, but I want to get you there even sooner. So be sure to register and claim a free spot on our live masterclass right now. And I'm going to be offering a lot of freebies. So you're going to get that sales deck. You're going to get my exact blueprint. And remember that landing page that I just showed you, how I'm going to deliver you the freebie? I'm going to give you that template for free on Flowdesk, so you don't have to recreate anything from scratch. Implementation is a huge hurdle, so I'm just going to give it to you. So stay with me, and I will see you in the webinar training. Thanks so much for tuning in. You can check out this video on the left on how to make money online and the exact business model that I'm going to dive into. Services supplemented by passive income, breaking it all down for you there. We also have a podcast called the Brand Creator Podcast, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.